Blizzards by Lila, Bryson, Abram, and Savannah.
A blizzard forms when a cold front meets a warm front.
Blizzards can happen in New York, Boston, South Dakota, and they have really high winds. In a blizzard, the wind miles can go up to 35 miles per hour, and it can snow higher than 3 feet.
During a blizzard, you should stay inside with warm clothes on. If you must go outside, make sure your whole body is covered.
Also, after a blizzard, you should go outside to see if everyone is okay and everyone in your house is okay.
The resources we used was www.wizkids.com and PebbleGo.